it's Lauren from Toots Tree, and Christmas is just around the corner. So today I'm going to show you some easy last-minute Popsicle Stick Christmas ideas. Let's get started. What you're going to need for this craft is gold paint, a paintbrush to use it, rhinestones if you want, 5 popsicle sticks, a hot glue gun, scissors, and string. And remember always to protect your workspace to use newspaper. Step 1. What you'll need for this step is the craft sticks and your hot glue. So first I'm going to show you how to assemble the star. So the first thing you're going to do is make a triangle and make sure the top is overlapping. Make it pretty, narrow. Next, you're going to stick one popsicle stick on the right side of your triangle. You're going to overlap it with them so it's facing this way. Then you're going to stick this one straight over all of them and make sure that it is on top of this popsicle stick. Now for the last one, you're just going to stick it overlapping this one and make sure it hits this last line right here. Now that you have made the star, you're going to hot glue it. Remember that you need parent supervision. You should hot glue a string onto the back of your thing. Now it's time for decorations. The first thing I'm going to do is paint the front of my star gold. The decoration, I'm going to use rhinestones and attach them to your star. Craft number 2. So here's what you'll need for the snowman. First you're going to need 5 large popsicle sticks and 3 medium-sized popsicle sticks. White glue, 3 paintbrushes for the white, orange, and black paint, pieces of some ribbon, red, you don't have to use it though, and string. Let's get started. Okay, so remember to always protect your work surface. Now right here I have my 5 large sticks lined up, and now I'm gonna take 2 of my medium-sized sticks and put a line of glue on the back of them. Now I'm gonna stick this sideways on my snowman. Just remember that this part will be the back. Now let these dry and we'll start the next part. Go. Now that your glue has dried, we're going to flip it over and start the snowman. The first thing you're going to do is apply your last medium craft stick onto your snowman. And this is going to be on the front side. Apply it about a little more than halfway down, going across. This will be the snowman's hat. Now it's time to paint.
Move the glue out of
So your biggest brush will be for white, your medium brush will be for black. The black will be the top part above this and this part, then your white will just be the rest. Let's get started. For craft number 3, we are going to be making our reindeer. So what you'll need is 3 medium-sized popsicle sticks, 6 small popsicle sticks, 1 red pom-pom, 2 mini doodly eyes, gold paint and dark brown paint with 2 paint brushes to go with it, and finally a hot glue gun. Remember that you should always have covering for your covering with your crafts, and remember for adult supervision. Now that I have painted my triangle, we're going to attach our Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer nose and our 2 eyeballs to make it look just like a reindeer. The last things we'll need is our antlers. So let's get to it. So first I'm going to lay my antlers out and glue them, then I'm going to paint them, and finally I'm going to attach them. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of just make them different ways. You can make the antlers your own. That looks nice. Now I'm just going to attach them. Now we're going to attach our antlers to our reindeer. Now let all of this dry and you'll have a perfectly fun reindeer. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which craft you're going to try and which one is your favorite. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!